Hello dear ones, welcome back to my channel. My name is Isa and today is another video of sewing and DIYs. I hope you watch till the end of this video and please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share. For today's video, I'm gonna show you an easy way of sewing a simple homeware short from a leftover scrap fabric. Let's start sewing. So this is the scrap fabric that I have, which I cut in 2 pieces. And from these two, each one will be the front and back of the short. Then, I will get a sample of short, which I'm gonna use for tracing. Okay, so this is the sample which I will be using for tracing the back and front of my short. And then after that, I will cut the fabric. This is how it will be after tracing and cutting the fabric. So one will be the front and the other one will be the back of the short. So now I'm gonna sew the back side facing together and then after that the front side facing together. Okay, after sewing the back side and the front, I also did zigzag stitch as usual so that it will have a nice finishing. Now this is the front and back of the short facing right side together. Next to do is to sew the crotch and the sides of the pant. Then again, I did zigzag for a nice finishing. So the pant is almost finished. Next is to hem the legs and the waist. So what I'm showing you right now is the hem on my waist, and as you can see there is a gap because there I will insert the elastic. So this is how it looks like with the elastic. And also I did the final stitching. And this is the final look.